how to get Messenger chat heads on iPhone. So if you want to get Messenger chat heads on your iPhone, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So let me tell you that unfortunately, there's no option that allows you to get chat headers from the Messenger application. That option is only available on Android. But you can customize yourself some other notifications from Messenger, or let's say how and where they are going to or coming to you. To do that, you'll need to open up your settings on your iPhone, and then you need to scroll down a bit, and you will find an option of notifications. Tap on it. After that, scroll down a bit, and then you will find a Messenger application. You need to just simply tap on Messenger. Once you find the app, tap on it. And here you'll be able to see a few options. For example, notifications can come to you in the form of banners or a notification center or lock screen. You can choose how you want your notifications. For example, if you don't want notifications to come in banners, just turn them off. Or you can also choose your own style as well. Or you can go with the preview section, tap on it, and you can change your previews as well. Also, be able to enable the sounds and vibrations. And if you want the time-sensitive notifications, then just turn it on. It will always deliver immediately. So these were the notification settings that you can do on your iPhone. But if you want the chat heads on your Messenger, then you need to use your Android because you don't have that option on your iPhone. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.